So, hey everyone, welcome back. It is Coach Brandy, brandyellen.com, coachbrandy.com. I actually just released a 150 AI prompts for newsletters and 30 days worth of newsletters, and it includes 30 bonus AI prompts, and I think it's like 150. Let me see here. 150 prompts, and we have 150 newsletter title ideas. You should be able to see my screen. There is lots of them, right? So I'm going to actually go through right now. We're going to go through and I'm going to show you how to use the prompts in ChatGPT so that you can use this new package as a blogger, as a life coach, whatever you may call yourself in the personal development field. So let's get with it. It's just going to be a couple of minutes. I'm going to go through a prompt and show you how to use these prompts, and then I'll put the link below so that you can grab your package. It's on sale, so get it before the price increases. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in here, and we got a AI prompt right here. What are 3 key strategies for embracing change in your personal and professional life? We're going to go over here. I'm going to do 3.5 because that's the free version of ChatGPT. We're going to hide that, and I'm going to just Control V, put that in there, and see what ChatGPT comes up with. And this is literally how you do the prompts. So as you can see, it came up with something really short like this, and you read through it and you just make sure, like, okay, this is really cool. So let's say adopting a growth mindset means viewing challenges as change. Often requires flexibility, and then if you like this, keep it as is, copy and paste it into your email program, your newsletter program, or you can actually ask ChatGPT to I would love to do a little more. So sometimes I'll ask ChatGPT, I want a little better introduction. I would love a better introduction to this email. Do you mind including a better intro paragraph? You hit enter. And there you go. It kind of shows you like what you could call the subject line if you wanted. You'd want to change this recipient's name part into whatever your email newsletter program is, so that the name of the person actually shows up, so it's a little more personal, or you can just get rid of that completely if you want. And then you read this and you're like, yeah, I like that. So basically, anytime you use these prompts that I'm giving you, 150 prompts in here that are part of, oh my goodness, where is it? Well, I didn't, of course, bring it up. So you go to brandyellen.com/shop. And this is where you are going to, waiting for my face to show up. There we are. Hello. So this is where you can grab that package. It's the newsletter AI prompt. Right now it's on sale for 21 bucks. And what you're going to do is you're going to do what I just did here, using 150 different prompts. You also are getting 150 newsletter title ideas. You also get 30 done for you newsletters, and I included 30 bonus AI prompts for anyone that wants to grab this high quality engaging content and options to start using AI to save you time. It's 21 bucks right now, so go ahead, get in, grab it, and use my quick tutorial to see how to use them. And please, obviously, let me know how this works for you, because I love seeing how people are using AI and how they're helping it advance their voice and almost like save them some time, because that's what I think AI is all about, is making the world a better place. Use it to make the world a better place. Use it to make yourself and your audience better, and use it to save yourself some time. So there's a review portion down here. I have no reviews yet. People seem to not leave reviews, but I would love it if you could leave me a 5-star rating. Let me know your feedback and maybe get on my mailing list so I can let you know when I launch some more stuff like this. Thanks so much for listening. If you have more questions, let me know. It's pretty straightforward. You copy the prompts, put them in here, and you talk to ChatGPT just like you would talk to a person. Ask it questions, it will answer. If you have the paid version, you actually can do ChatGPT 4, which gives you a lot more options, including having it create images. So I'll get more on that another day. For now, I just want to show you real quick how to use my new newsletter AI program for personal development with all the prompts, and that it's on sale for 21 bucks. So go ahead, get in, grab it, see how it can help you. This is best for life coaches and for anyone that is in the personal development field, growth mindset, mindfulness, that sort of niche. Okay, so thanks so much for listening, and I'll see you on the other side.